So this is going to be a quick lesson just to have you start to add to our modular game and start to experiment with it. So in this case, if we're going to pick things up or teleport, we need to add some options to our origin. And the first one we want to add is locomotion system. So you'll just come down here and type in loco. There it is. And add it. And the first thing you need to do when you do that is to drag your origin over. And then we want to add teleportation provider so we can teleport. And you're going to then drag your locomotion system up into there. And then continuous move provider, we want to have that so that we can move around in our game. So you're going to make sure you have that. And then you're going to drag your locomotion system in. Now once we do that, if we're going to move around, we got to come in and fill these references. So that means we have left hand locomotion move and right hand locomotion move. You need to add these in so that we can move in our game. And by the way, I found out, I can't remember if I told you in the previous video or not, but if you hit W, Q, and E, you can go up or down. So let's go up a little bit. And then, of course, we're going to, in this case, I'm going to grab something. It's way too big, so I need to reduce it. So I need to reduce the size of that pirate chest, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put a square on top of that pirate chest. Put a cube on top of it, and then I'm going to pick that cube up. And maybe lighten this up a little bit. So that needs to make sure that we, when I do it with that cube, that I add an XR grab interactable. And then I'm going to add some objects and have them teleportation areas. So I have my provider. I'm going to do some teleportation areas with some other objects I put inside here. And then, of course, then we're probably going to want to add snap turn. Snap turn action based. And then continuous turn provider action based, and I think we need to drag the locomotion system in to both of those. And then we can just determine how we're going to move around our game. So anyway, get some objects inside of it. Make some objects if you want. You can just create some 3D objects and put them inside there. Or import some in and start to build your game up. Make sure you're saving your scene. And when you get ready to teleport, make sure you include an image from your headset so that we can see if you're teleporting.